We're back with another one. How you feeling, Johnny?
Ready. Let's go check it out.
We're here again to meet with the boss.
Yep.
On our, we got 2 more houses
to
do.
Supposed to kill this weekend.
So 2 houses for this weekend.
Challenge for us.
Friday and Saturday. Well, we start Friday after work with salmon.
This. I'm
That's
gonna
what
be
you need.
He gonna be.
We're gonna bang this house. All right, let's go. Hey, there's our work van right there. That's the van we're gonna be using for work. There goes the first house we did. That's the first one we did right there. There's the next 2. Let's go. So we got the plans. So we got 2 houses for Friday and Saturday. This one is exactly the same one as the first one we did. The other one, the one next door, it's a different plan. So the goal is today is to set up all our supplies, put them where they need to go, and cut in our holes. Set ourselves up for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, and then we'll be starting tomorrow around 4 after we get off with salmon, and then we'll be back tomorrow. Let's go. All right, here I'm just going through and marking where all of our heat runs are going, and then Johnny will be right behind me cutting them in. We got all our supplies, all the holes cut in. There's the return and supply. We're done cutting in and setting up in this one. Let's move on to the next one. Next one, gonna cut in, set up. Johnny. So we're done cutting in house number 2. This is where our supply comes through. It's not the most beautiful hole, but it'll work. So got all the holes cut in and supplies laid out. We don't have everything, so we made a list of house number 1 and house number 2. But we are done for the day. Tomorrow's Friday. We'll be back around 4. John, are you ready for tomorrow?
Start you again, buddy. Tomorrow, man. You need to prepare.
Do the walk. All right.
Oh man.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.
We're gonna kill it. 2 days, 2 house.
Nice weekend, though.
We're here. It's Friday. We didn't make it on time today. We got here around, well, it's 5 o'clock right now. We planned on getting here at 4, but we needed to get stuff done at our other job. But the goal is for today is, the goal is always get the house done in one day, but it's half a day. But we'll try to get as much done and then finish up tomorrow and then start the second house tomorrow and hopefully finish it tomorrow. But we'll see. We'll do the best that we can. All right, see this? This is for when you've had a long day at your other job. This is a must to keep you going. Right, Johnny?
Huh?
You must have this, right?
You need that, huh?
You must have this. All right, let's go. A little update. So we're done with the upstairs, well, main floor. This is the exact same plan as the first house we did. Exactly the same. See, heat rooms. So all we got left up here is our return. So this is the return right here, and then our supply, just like the last one. This one we won't be doing today because we didn't have all the supplies. The shop guy forgot, but we got the dryer done. In this one they're not doing the dryer box, so but we got our thermostat ran, got the heat rooms. So now we're gonna move downstairs and start. It's looking good, looking good. Got done with the upstairs. Now we're starting on the basement. There's Mr. Johnny Boy and our cameraman. But we got our duct through, as you saw earlier. We're gonna set up the furnace and we go from there. Let's go. Well, one more thing. What time is it? It's 8:50. Still got a little daylight outside. I think we're doing pretty good. We might be able to hit the goal of finishing it tonight, but if not, at least we're close. We'll see. Let's go. our goal tonight, but we got real close. This is all we have. Got all the heat runs done. Got the duct ran. So we just have the furnace return drop and the flues, drain, line set. Well, line set is ran. But it's been a long night. It's 12. Well, it's 1 o'clock. We'll be back in the morning. Early morning, 7 o'clock. Yeah, it's time to go home. Right, guys? I mean, Johnny, you ready? All right, let's go home. Good morning. It's Saturday, 8 o'clock in the morning. Johnny, are you okay?
Morning. From here in the Mountain View, Utah. Peace out.
All right, we're back. Last night was a long night. Saturday. We're here to finish up the first house and start the second one. And let's go. We're done. We're done with this basement. Here's the furnace. Now we're gonna move on. There it is. So it's exactly the same one as the last one. We're all done and clean. And now we're gonna move on to the next one and start the second house. Let's go. Second house. Johnny, you ready? How you feeling? He still got energy? Oh, okay. He's still good.
I give you another 5 minutes.
All right, Johnny is ready, as you can see. Second house, we're about to get started. Let's go. We are finally done. It's 9 o'clock. Another, not too bad, not too late, but we're all done. 100% complete. So this is the furnace room. I don't know how good you can see that, but so there's the furnace. Down there. That's where the duct, how we ran our duct. So this is the basement. Let's go show you guys the upstairs. All right, here's the upstairs. Upstairs is completely done. Here's some of the runs. And this is where our duct is coming through from the downstairs, up through, and then in the garage. We got 2 heat runs out here. And then this is our return box. Goes down. And just like that. And there's the dryer. And there it is. we're done. 2 house, 2 days. We may have not hit the goal of that we had last night, but we did it in 2 days. Let's see if Johnny Boy has anything to say. Johnny! Johnny Boy! He's nowhere to be found. All right, found Mr. Johnny. Johnny, what's your last words? What you gotta say?
Hell the day. We did it, guys. 2 days, 2 house. But listen, we not do this kind of video like a competition, no. We give your boss what he want. So that way the boss make money, us make money. But here, I got 5% for you guys for that.
Hey, he still got energy. Hey, don't hurt yourself. There you go. You heard it from Mr. Johnny Boy. And he says, if the boss make money, we make money. Let's go.